Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. I'm back from Croatia. It was a wonderful trip. Had a great time with Jesse there, and when he left, just did some visiting around with people and bike rides around the village. It was really nice time. So that's all said and done, but I am glad to be back, and it's time to food prep. So that was a lot of yesterday was spent cleaning and doing food prep, and today I'm going to share the date energy balls recipe with you guys. Very simple recipe. It's good for like another grab and go snack just before the workout or after the workout. Dates. That's the main thing here. So I chose these particular ones because probably because they were on sale. And they're actually really good. They're not dry. And right now I currently have them soaking in some water just for about, 10 minutes or so, just to soften them up so they're easier to process in the processor. And you add some oats, add some cinnamon, add some almond butter or any type of nut butter that you like. And your additions are nuts. So I'm choosing walnuts because, again, I have those on hand right now. And some flax seeds are also in the recipe. Again, it's such a versatile recipe. You can add any little additions that you'd like. But you'll be using this. This is my little food processor. I had this guy for so many years. It's great. I'll be using that just to process those dates. And then we'll be mixing everything in this bowl and making some balls. So I'll show you the process as we go along. So stay tuned. All right, so it's all mixed up. Looks really good. And technically you can do all of this mixing in a food processor, but I just do the dates in the food processor as you see and mix everything with the handy dandy fork right there. So that's all I do. So let's see how many actual energy balls we can get out of this. I think around 10 to 12. Roll them up into a little bit smaller than golf ball sized, I would say. So let's see how many we can get. 13. I got 13 of them, so not too bad for this simple little recipe that took about, let's say 10 minutes to do, not too long at all. So keep them out on the counter for a week, not a problem. Freeze them. Double it up, right? Double up the recipe and freeze some of them if you would like, and enjoy. Have fun with these. Make your own additions. Let us know what you do differently. And Justin, pop this into ChatGPT and let us know what the nutrition facts are. You're good at that. You're better at that than I am. So just going to kind of leave that up to you. So anyways, you guys have a great rest of your day, and until next week.